Hello, in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix an unknown USB device in Windows 11 where the device descriptor request failed. You can have an error like this, where you see it says device descriptor request failed. Let me show you a quick way to fix this. What you can do is first go on your device manager. Then scroll down. Go on your USB or your universal serial bus. Then look for your problematic USB. I do not have one at the moment, but I'll use my USB as an example. It should appear like so. Should appear like so. Once you see it, just right-click it and then go on Properties. Then you need to go to Details. And here you have to scroll down, then select on Device Instant Path. Copy this. Copy. After you're done, then go on your Windows icon. Open. Then here you need to scroll down to Local Machine, System. Then scroll down and look for Current Control Set. Then you need to look for enum. Click on it. Above here, do a backslash, paste. Click Enter. Once you're in here, right-click, then New, DWORD 32-bit value. Then you need to name this exactly. Okay? Name it Enhanced Power Management. Enabled. Exactly like so. Then here, after you do this, just restart your computer. It will fix your problem. And you're done.